Today we are pairing some caramelized plantain with a crunchy chili lime drizzle that hits every single taste bud. It's sweet, smoky, and spicy. Let's get to it. Forget everything you know about side dishes. Today we are taking the natural sweetness of real plantains and hitting them with a spicy, savory chili oil dressing. We are pairing this with a sticky, honey glazed chicken that ties the whole plate together. It is sweet, it's spicy, and it's about to be your new favorite meal. Let's get to it. Peeling a plantain is different from a banana. Score the skin lengthwise first to peel it back cleanly. We are going for an ½ inch diagonal slices to maximize the surface area for that perfect golden finish. In the meantime, heat your vegetable oil on medium heat. We are looking for a deep caramelized brown color. Flip them once they are golden, about 3 minutes per side. So for the dressing, I am using an orange for this dressing. You can use a lemon if you want, but I like the citrusy taste with the sweet and savory. It's a great combination. So I'm using some orange juice, honey, and salt to taste. Always taste your food as you go. And I'm whisking it together before adding the chili sauce, which is available on the blog, by the way. I'm not afraid of heat, so I've added a few tablespoons of that chili sauce, and it's delicious, guys. But you are welcome to use as much or as little as you want. So I'm putting it all together, and what I'll do next is just whisk it again. So I'm whisking one more time to make sure that all the ingredients blend well together. And then next, what I will do is just drizzle it on top of my plantains. I find it useful to add the dressing while the plantains are still warm, because I think the addition to the plantain is far better effective when they're still warm than once they're cold. So just do it as soon as you're done frying the plantains, and then voila. So we have a beautiful coated plantains with some honey glazed chicken. They are delicious. You can use the same dressing on your chicken, by the way. So I just fried my chicken and used that same dressing. The way the honey glaze bridges the gap between the sweet fruit and the heat from the chili oil, it's an absolute 10 out of 10. I'm Magali from the Beautiful Food, and I want to hear from you. Let us know in the comment if you tried this recipe and how you put your own spin to it.